This is a used 2008 Ford F-250 powered by 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine. The features include trailer hitch, a trip computer, power steering, an AM/FM stereo. Safety was made a priority with these features: a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Randall Reed's Planet Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 19,000 East X Freeway, Humboldt, Texas 77338.